is 𝗤𝗲𝗂 𝗬𝐶 𝗵𝐺. I am currently a third-year computer science student at University Science Malaysia. Coding is fun because you can create your very own games and application. Alright, so for today, we're gonna dive into the exciting world of Scratch to create our very own Pong game. We'll be working with 4 super cool things: a bouncing ball, a paddle, a guiding line, and even a score system. Make sure to stick with me until the end, so you can become Pong masters all by yourself later on. No time to waste, let's jump right in! Let's start with our first subject. We can remove the cat over here and choose our new sprite. In this case, we're gonna choose a ball. Now let's change the backdrop. You can click on the backdrop and choose whichever you like. I'm gonna go with the ball walk. Firstly, to move the ball, you can click under the motion section and drag the move 10 steps block. Try to click the block to see whether it moves or not. To move the ball continuously, go under the control section and drag the forever block to the outer of the move block. Now the ball's stuck. We need the ball to bounce whenever it hits the edge. To do that, go under motion section and drag the if on edge bounce block. There you go. Now the ball is bouncing. Wait, it seems like the ball keeps bouncing to the left and right. What should we do to make the ball bounce in all directions? Yes, change the direction angle. To do this, drag the point in direction block and set the angle to 45 and see whether it works. Look, it works! Now we already have the ball, let's move to the paddle. You can add another object by choosing a new sprite and search for a paddle. Now we need to move the paddle based on our mouse position. To do that, drag the set X to block and the set Y to block. For the set Y, we can try to put at -158. For the set X to block, go under the sensing section and drag the mouse X block into the set X2 block. As usual, don't forget our forever block to keep the blocks running. So now when the flag is clicked, we can see that the paddle is moving like what we want. So now, how do we connect so that if the bottle hits the paddle, it bounces? To do that, you can go under the control section and click the if block. Inside the if block, drag another block from the sensing section, which is touching. Now, change the mouse pointer to paddle. To make the ball bounce, go under motion and drag the turn right, or you can choose left block and set it to 180 degrees so that it will bounce in opposite direction. As usual, never forget the forever and one flat click blocks. Next, add the move 10 steps block inside the loop. We can also add the wait block so that the ball will stop for a moment when it hits the paddle. Now, let's see whether everything is working. Yay, it works! Now, let us move on to our third object, which is a line. Click on the line and place it at the bottom. Now, drag the if block and insert the touching block from the sensing section as a condition. Change the object to the ball. To make the game end whenever the line touches the ball, drag the stop all block inside the if block. As usual, never forget our forever and one flat click blocks. Now, let's see how it works. Alright, it works fine, but not perfect since I can notice that I need to click the flag twice to start the game. To solve this, we can set the initial position of the ball whenever we want to start the game. To do that, go under ball blocks and drag the go to XY block. Set them both to 0. Now, when we click the flag, the ball will initially place and move from the middle. Now the game is done, but it's not challenging, right? Should we add score? Absolutely yes. To do this, we can go under the variable section and name it to score. Now, under the ball blocks, drag the set variable to 0 and change variable by 1 blocks under this big block. Don't forget to change the my variable to score. Now, let's run this for the last time. And yes, our game is now complete. Alright, that's it for today, everyone. Hope all of you enjoyed this video and don't forget to try. I'm a code sister. I can code, so can you. See you later. Bye!